Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings, everyone. I would say thanks to Mr. Benny for giving us the time for presenting our product or our specialty. And let's just get into it. If you see on the screen, you see this is OG Auto. The name we have is because Raji and Ojak combined together. And maybe you think why OG Auto is different from the other mechanic shop. That is because we have our services more. There is more services in our place other than the others. You can see in the screen we have this more complete, but the others, they don't have the service. They don't have the tools, they don't have the specialty, but we have it. You can see here, maybe the same. The first one the same, but they don't have what we have here. That is what making the difference between us and our competitor. And for the next is this. Ojak, please explain to them.
Well, we also have 24 hours of service, and our employee, which is me and Raji, are very trained and very full of experience, and it's the best in the town. And we have a lot of branch, is about 25 around the world, and it's different from the others, as Raji explained before, and service on the road.
Thank you for my partner. I'm going to make it clear. When he say the engineer is two of us, it means on the headquarter. But on the other branch, we have full engineer and very trained employee. This is real, guys. You have to believe us, trust us. And the next is, this is our achievement. We also have on the Skoda VRC. Why you laugh? Hey, shh. We help on Red Bull F1 competition and also WRC. Why this is very meaning to us and very good? Because WRC and F1 is very different on the track. If WRC, they go off-roading and full of challenge because they need to repair the car in under 5 minutes. If the car is broken on the front, so they give us so little time to prepare and repairing the car and also the engine and also F1. This is rich guy some type of thing because there is so many sponsors like Red Bull, and Red Bull choose us to be an official engineer on their grid, on their F1 pit stop. Yes, as you can see, we are very trained and full of experience. We are changing the tires, and then this with my old friend. His name is Asep. Now, please explain to them why our price is better.
So, as we have more service than others and we are very trained, we also provide cheaper service. Like here, oil change and filter replacements. Others competitors are more expensive. As you can see, this is $80, and our most expensive is only $75. In this wheel alignment, also, the other competitors are usually about 150 to 200, and this is only 50 to 168. This also tire service, $25 difference. Brake service, quite a lot, $5,000 on the most expensive. Engine swap, 1,050. Body modification, $10,000 difference. And suspension is wait, 1,970 difference. So it is quite a lot, and you can save up a lot of money by choosing our service instead of other competitors.
Thank you for my partners Ojak for explaining why our price is better than the other competitor. So I will give you time to see the price. As you can see, this green one is better, guys, than the red one. 45,000 for a body modification. We only 35. So you can save up to $10,000. Huh. Also, what makes us different from the other competitor is we use the best tools and parts for our customer. As you can tell, of course, the other competitors usually they use like off-brand type of parts on your car, like they sell this very high-end looking rims, rims. But the truth is the cheap knockoff from China. But we make sure our parts that we import is good quality and also the best quality and straight from the dealer, straight from the headquarters. You can see this is our headquarters, guys. What makes us different is we have the braveness to open the first HQ on O Block. For you who doesn't know, O Block is a very dangerous place in the area. Yes. You can see there is shooting here, shooting there. But we make sure our customers safe and ourselves also safe. Because this is very dangerous, guys. This is our sponsorship. Well done.
So as you can see, we have worked with many partners like Donut, Red Bull Racing, which is, as you know, Max Verstappen. He is a racer in Red Bull. And then Nismo, I think is a NASCAR. No, sorry, Nismo, Pertamina, and then Speed Hunters, BBS. This is Shell, Recaro, and many others. This is Pirelli from Italia. This is tires. This is Toyo tires, brakes, and Voltex from Japan. This is our clients from Formula One or Formula CG. This is, as I said before, Max Verstappen from Red Bull, Charles Leclerc from Shell, Ferrari, other. Then Lando Norris, he is Cisco. McLaren and Lewis Hamilton. And pretty sure these four are almost always in the podium, especially Max Verstappen. He is almost always number one in racing. And then
thank you for my partner. Ojak is full of knowledge, guys. So that is our how to say? Yes, our presentation about our mechanic shop, especially for these guys. Any questions from gentlemen, from this gentleman.
Please, question. Let's go. Okay, welcome.
Why your services aren't very cheap, but you guys are very experienced? But why your services are very cheap?
Because actually we don't care about the money from the customer, because we have our money from this sponsorship. You can see Red Bull Racing, they pay us 1 million per month. Safazim, you can see from this many sponsorship. Pirelli. We already have so many money. So then from that I choose to give the cheap price for my customer, because safety is first. Does that answer your?
Okay. But why will you open your envelope? That's dangerous.
Because there is no mechanic shop in Oblok actually. They need a mechanic shop in Oblok, guys. Because as you can see here, there is no mechanic shop. Only one. Here. You can see OG Auto 2000 already have 93 of customer review. You can see anything already from the other. Allah.
Do you store authorized and official spare parts that exist? Like if I have a Hyundai, then go to your garage and stuff. Do you ready to engine swap my vehicle? Do you have it in stock? Like, do you have authorized product in stock?
Of course.
Of course.
As you can see here, we done a 2 JZ swap engine. If you have an inline 4 vehicle, we can swap it into V8, V12, and anything, or maybe full electric, or maybe electric goes to.
So if I have
Yeah.
Toyota Vios, can you swap it to V12?
Can, of course, can. But you have to sign a letter first, BPJS. So to make sure that you have hospitality for that. Ada? There is no?
I just answer the question, but just move to the price. Okay, so the first and the second one, 75 until 75. So can you explain more about what can we get from $35 for the oil service and then filter replacement?
What do you mean?
Huh?
What
You
do you
say that it's 35 until 75, right?
Yes.
So it means there will be the price is $35. So what we can get from that?
Well, it depends on your car, of course.
Then explain what can you do with 35 and $40 with that one?
We change the oil and replace the filter. It's there.
Huh?
Oil
35?
change and filter replacement.
Only $35.
Yes, depends on your car.
We have many options from the oil.
Yes.
There is the cheaper oil and also for the high-end car. Yes.
So it's too far if we compare with other brands for changes, the oil and the filter replacements. It costs $80, right? But you only 35. Okay.
Oh, because we can.
How?
That is our specialty.
Yeah, how?
Chipping.
Well, because we get money, right, also from our sponsors. So this is the engineering, the mechanic thing is also our hobby and just to fill our time. So we provide cheap service to others to help others who need it.
So this is charity company.
Yes.
Yes.
So you do for the charity only.
Well,
50-50.
yeah, somewhat.
Okay. Any others?
So,
Okay.
so you're talking that most of your why it's so cheap because you have sponsors. What did you do for those sponsors anyway?
We
What makes them think that you're worth it anyway?
Yes.
But what
We-
they want to spend money with you.
We work with them.
We provide the best engineer. You questioning why or what do we do to our sponsorship and why did they want to be a partner with us? Maybe you forgot about this. We are ready as the best engineer, mechanic on the F1 pit stop. As you can see, we have the documentation, and because of that, Max Verstappen win on the first podium. And from that, they trust us for the next competition, and they also choose the best engineer and mechanic from our shop. We have the certification, but I forgot to put here the certification, and also this Skoda WRC. WRC is very, very hard and challenging. But for us, a teenager, we provide them the best. Yes.
So you're just basically, they are paying you to use their product only to end up selling it cheaper.
What? No.
Basically, letting them pay you to use their product and then for you to end up selling it cheaper.
No, they already agree with us for
So-
selling us cheaper. Because we have reason why we sell it cheap. You maybe see 35 and 75. Why there is different? Why don't I just sell it for 75? Because oil change and filter replacement, there is option. For a normal car, you can go for 35. But a supercar, of course, the oil and filter is different. So this is the high-end oil price. And it goes same for the others. The wheel, if you want to have a daily driving, and you don't want to spend a lot for racing special tires, you can go for the cheaper option. Yes, also tire service, and then all of that.
I'm interested in Rakan. How about Rakan? Your argument. Your sound shading.
Okay, so I want to ask something. In the pricing, you said your competitor for the engine swap has that much price and for the body modification too, right?
Yes.
So go to the first pricing of the services.
Oh, services.
So you said that they have their price like that, but in this slide they don't have the services. So
No, this is yes, I know, but what I mean by this side is I mean by the common competitor. But for the pricing is where our competitor is also joining some racing department. So there is like specialty like this. As you can see, Voltex Racing Suzuka Japan is like one of them. They are like mechanic shop, but specialty is for racing. And then also we have the difference between them. As you can see here, the price, they are a lot higher than us. But we cheaper. Save your money.
So means that other competitors, they also have something that you provide, right?
But it's not often. It's a few.
There are higher competitors and lower competitors. And those lower ones usually doesn't have body modification and engine swap. And the higher ones usually have. And those are the prices.
Yeah.
Okay, any other question?
So you said that your mechanic are very well professional, right? well-educated and professional. How did you get the certification, and how do you get that skills before you handle all those professional person?
How do I get the?
The certification and then the skills before you go to the professional one.
Oh, the backstory is I usually work on my granddad. It was a small mechanic shop in Alaska, and I always interested in doing some mechanic thing in automotive, and then from then I grow to be a professional mechanic. And then I met him. We also have the same type of journey, so we decide to work together. And then there is this company, a very high-end company, that want to hire us. But first, we insecure about our skill at that time. But we work hard, play hard, pray hard, until the point where we get to this. And also that company give us the certification.
So where does it come from?
The company.
Company?
Yes, I cannot tell you. It's private.
Oh, an NDA, I see.
Yes.
I have another one. This one is one interesting question, but okay, so say that I have a car, right?
Yes.
And then I have that car parts replaced. If a car has every single part of it replaced, is it still the same car?
Is it from the same car? From the same car?
So basically, a car. If a car has every part replaced with a different one, is it still the same car?
Is it coming from a different car? From the same type of car?
Of course. It's the same car.
Is it the same car?
Yes. Well, if you choose to change the part for the same type of part, of course it's the same. Let's say if you have a Vios and then you change all of the parts, but you use another Vios part, of course it's the same type of car. But if you choose our service, it's like body modification. If you want to change your Vios into a Ferrari, we can change it. But if you want to build a sleeper car, where the car outside looks ugly and slow, but the inside is a beast, you can choose our engine swap. We can change it from inline 3, inline 4 engine into one racing special engine, V8, especially a bore up. Yes.
How could you change the Ferrari into the Vios? How could you make them fit? And is it possible if Vios using the Ferrari one? Is it possible to make it as a real?
If you're talking about the body, yes, we can, because it's a body modification, and we have the
It's
custom
engine,
part.
it's engine.
It's engine. Some car doesn't fit, like inline 4. If you want to change into V12, of course the V12 is bigger. But we have the specialty for that. We can make the room for the engine bigger, and then we can finally fit the V12. If you don't believe us, search on YouTube. There is our friend who changed his engine car with a V12 Ferrari engine.
What is your guarantee that it won't screw up? Yeah.
Guarantee?
Yeah. What is your guarantee that it won't screw up?
Well, we don't really have a guarantee if it did screw up, but as far as we've worked, there is no customer that has their car blown up by itself, except an accident where it's not our fault, but it's his own fault. Maybe he crashed or someone crashed into him, something like that.
So there is no risk guarantee.
No.
Problems happens.
Well, you chose to. Of course, there's risk, but if you want your Vios to change the engine to a V12, then there's of course a risk, and you chose to swap the engine, and of course, that means you're also ready for the things that may happen to your Vios.
So it's totally on the customer.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just changed the thing. Yeah, it's their request, then we do it.
But it can be very dangerous if you just provide everything. There is no like something that you have to limit on what they want. So it's just very. What kind of limit that customer asks to you, and then I can just provide it because it can be dangerous for others, right?
Like the
Of course, it's your choice, but if they just agree with that and then an accident happens, you have to responsible, right, for that.
well, no, it's the customers. We already, of course, if the customer wants to do that, we of course warn them first what can happen, what maybe will happen, and it's up to them to decide whether they want to continue or not.
All right. Okay.
Um,
Anything else? No?
I actually have another question. This is a suggestion.
Okay. What is it?
Because this business could actually work if you really want to start it anyway. I know it sounds a little bit cheap, like too cheap. You can actually counter my point when I asked you before. So you can actually get profits in many other ways. So for example, go back to the pricing page. So yeah, you see that it's a little cheaper than others.
Yeah.
Now, when I asked you before about the risk guarantee, you don't have any risk guarantee. And the thing that you're doing, of course there is a risk, right? You can actually try to sell and upsell the risk guarantee. You say you are confident about it,
Yeah.
you are confident about your results, that nothing will probably happen. Maybe you can actually try to add a package, some sort of insurance package, 30 days, for example. And then you can get a profit margin from that. So even though you start cheap, of course you get the customer who are really doubt into it, who are new into it and don't want to spend more money into it. You can actually get that momentum of they're afraid of being risk to gain more profits from it. And by doing fast as well. So you basically do the A while also offering the other customer, the B customer, so that you can actually fulfill the requirement for other things. So you can actually control my questions, both of my questions. They're just a suggestion anyway.
Okay.
Okay. That's good.
Okay, thank you for the suggestion. Maybe we'll take it to. Yeah, okay, maybe there's no questions left, and that is all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.